Yeah, so hi all. Now I'm going to start the session. Till now, we have completed some data type. So last data type which I taught you geolocation data type. How can we create geolocation data type? So I'm going to create one record. So are you graduated? Yes. And here I can write latitude and longitude. So when you will create the location field with geolocation data type, so you will get two options. You can enter latitude as well as longitude. And simple click on save button. So employee location, here I'm getting latitude as well as longitude. So many data types are remaining, which we have to study. So checkbox studied currency, date, time, email, location, number. So from checkbox to number, all data type we have studied. So percent data types are remaining. So percent data type when we will use when allow user to enter a percentage number, for example 10, automatically adds the percentage sign to the number. When we will use percent, if you want to store percentage type information, if you want to use percentage type information, that time we use percent data type to store percentage type information. So when user will enter any number, whenever user will enter any number, so percentage sign will automatically add. When user will enter any number, so percentage sign will automatically add. And how many length we can enter? How many digit we can enter? So 18 digit without decimal. 18 digit without decimal. And if you are using decimal, so number and number plus decimal, it's a 18 digit. Number plus decimal, it should be 18 digit. So I want to store percentage. So simple course percentage I want to store. So here I'm getting percent. So I have selected percent as a data type. Now clicking on next. And in label name, I want to enter percentage. So I want to store 10th percentage. Length 2. Decimal place also 2. I'm making it 2. And simple clicking on next. So I want to make it required. Next. Save and new. And I also want to store employee wealth information. And I'm also making one data, one field, that is percentage. So it's for course percentage. So I have written graduation percentage. So simple click on next, save. So I have created three field with percentage type, 10th percentage, 12th percentage. And when I will add it or I will create the record. So one field automatically I will get. Till now it's not coming. And lightning it will take some time. But if you want to view quickly, instantly, so you can switch into classic and in classic you will get. So I'm going to open the classic and here in classic. So these are the tabs: home, chatter, libraries, content, subscription. These are the tab. If you want to add few more tab, so here we have add button. We have add button. So if you want to view more tab, here we are getting only 5 tabs. 1, 2, 3, 4, and home. If you want to view more, simple click on add button. In classic, if you want to view more tab, simple click on plus button. And here you will get all tabs. Go to the employee. So here I have employee. Simple click on employees, click on new, and I'm able to view 10th percentage and 12th percentage. Simple and click on save. So I have saved it in percentage. Automatically I'm getting percentage symbol. So if you want to store percentage information, simple use percent datatype. Any doubt till here? So now I'm going to create second field with another data type. So show location done, number done, percent done. Phone number, yeah, we have already completed it. We have created one field that was employee contact number. Pick list, yeah, and pick list one that is remaining. So I'm selecting pick list. Allow user to select a value from a list you define. What is pick list? Let me write the definition. Allow user to enter allow user to select a value from a list. So what I will do, I will create one list. Simple, I will create one list, and from that list, user can select only one value. User can select only one value. So it is possible by pick list data type. If your data type is pick list, so user can select only one value. First, what you will do, you will define the list. You will create one list, and user can select only one value from this list. So which type of list you can create? Which type of list? So let's suppose I want to store, I want to in employee object, I want to create one list that is country list. Whenever I will create employee report, so I want to select the country. I want to select the country. Whenever I will create employee report, I want to select the state of the employee. So in that situation, what we will do, we will create the pick list field. So what it do, allow user to let me create one first. Simple select picklist data type, click on next and write label name. So I'm writing employee state. So here I'm getting two options. Use global picklist value set. So global picklist value set, I will teach you after multi-picklist. So till now we are skipping it. I don't want to use global picklist value set. So I'm selecting second one. So when I will click on enter values, you need to enter some value. Means from here, I am defining a list. I'm creating a list. So in state, I'm writing some state. So I have created 6 states: UP, Haryana, Maharashtra, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Karnataka. And if you want to display value as alphabetically, you can click on that checkbox and use first value as default value. If you want to make first value as a default value, you can click on that checkbox if you want to make it. So I'm not doing anything. Then I'm clicking on next button and clicking on next button and clicking on save. I'm refreshing the page. Going to create. So in Classic, it will take some time. In Lightning, it will take some time. Refresh the page. Yeah, now I'm getting it. Employee state. So I'm getting all the values which I have added: Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Maharashtra, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Karnataka. So I can select anyone. So it's a pick list. So what is pick list? It's a drop down list from which we can select one option at a time. What is it? It's a drop down list. We can select one option at a time. Okay. So max, I have one question: maximum how much value we can provide. Means we will create the list. In that list, how many value we can provide? So maximum we can provide 1000 value. How much option we can provide? 1000. So maximum we can provide 1000 option. Maximum we can provide 1000 options. Yeah. So length of each option can be 255 correct. Length of each option length of each option can be 255 character. So length of each option can be 255 character. Means we will create list. In that list, we will, whenever we will give one option, like I have given option that is Uttar Pradesh, UP. So it's first option, Haryana second, Maharashtra. So when if you are giving any option, so how much text you can write, how much text, how much character you can write. So maximum in single option, maximum you can write 255 characters. More than 255 characters you cannot write. Fourth point. All the options together can be 15,000 characters. All the option together can be 15,000 characters. So if you have given many option, so you have to maintain the characters also. Maximum limit is 15,000. More than 15,000 characters you cannot write inside the pick list. And we can make first option as a default, and just a minute, we can also remove the value. We can also remove, we can also edit, and we can also add. So in pick list, if you want to remove any value, you want to add it, or you want to add any value, so you can also add. That's all about pick list. So next data type is multi-pick list, or you can say multi-select. So when I will do scroll down, I will get one term that is multi-select. What is it? Allow user to select multiple value from a list you define. Means we will define one list, and from that list user can select multiple value. Multi-select. Allow user to select multiple values. Simple. So how we create multi-pick list or multi-select field? Simple, go to the org, and in which situation we will create. Let's suppose I want to check your skill. I want to check your skill. So one employee has many skill. One employee has many skill. Employees know Java. Employee know Salesforce, admin, developer, Lightning. Employee know Reactive, Angular, C language, Python. So one employee has many skill. So in that situation, we will give many options. You can select many skill. So in that situation, we will select multi-pick list data type. So I have selected pick list, multi-select pick list. Simple, click on next, write label name. So I have entered select skills. Here I am entering value. C, we can enter C++, Java, Python, SalesforceAdmin, Salesforce developer, Angular, Reactive, Angular, React, Python. So we can add many skills. So you display value alphabetically. You can display value alphabetically if you want display. Use first value as default value. If you want to make first value as default value, you can make it. I don't want to make it simple. Click on next. Do scroll down, click on next and save it. Refresh the page. Go to the application, refresh the page and open any record. Click on edit button. So here you can see select skill. Select skill. So employees no admin, Salesforce admin. Employees no Salesforce developer. So we can add the many skill. Save it, simple, save it. So why pick list? We can select only one option. Why pick list? We can select only one option. But why multi-pick list? We can select many options. Okay. So in pick list, how much option we can add? We can add 1000 option. So in multi-pick list, how much option we can add? How much option we can add in multi-pick list? So maximum we can add 150 option. Maximum we can add 150 option. So in a list, how much option we can add at a time? We can add only 150 option. Okay. Second, next point is third. User can select multiple option. User can select multiple option. So max out of 150, how much option you can select? So in multi-pick list, maximum we can select 100 option. In multi-pick list, maximum we can select 100 options from 150. Maximum in a multiple list, maximum we can add 150 option. And the definition of multiple list means user can select multiple value. So maximum how much user can select? Only 100 option user can select. Okay. So length of each option. In pick list, we can type 255 character. Length of each option can be 255 character, but in multi-pick list, how much length can be? So only 50 character. So length of each option can be maximum 14 characters. And last point is all the options together can be 1500 characters. All the options length together can be 1500 characters. So these are the difference in multi-pick list and pick list. And multi-pick list we can also edit. We can also multi-pick list we can also edit. Yeah. And we can also delete the value from multi-pick list and we can also edit it. So now I have one assignment which I want to give to you, which you have to complete. So you have to create one object that is customer. And here you have to create some field inside the customer object. So you have to create customer name, customer ID first, customer name and customer email, customer phone number, yeah, add customer location, then customer type, so the here is the field, these are the field name, and here I'm writing data type which you have to use, and here I'm writing values which you have to provide. So field name, data type, value I've written. So for ID data type, for ID, customer ID, data type, it should be auto number. Like it should be look like C01. And here you have to use text data type. For email, you have to use email data type. For phone number, you have to use phone data type. Location, you can use your location. Customer type, you can use pick list. And here you have to add two values, means customer is, it's a regular customer or irregular. So in pick list, you have to add two values, regular or irregular customer. So it's your assignment which you have to complete. You have to create one customer. Yeah. You have to create one customer object, and in this object you have to create some field like customer ID, name, email, phone, location, customer type, and these are the data type. And in pick list you have to add regular and irregular values. Yeah, so thanks all for joining the class. Now we will connect tomorrow.